Good morning, guys. Sorry, couldn't figure out the issues. Got one more thing coming in today. The USB did not fix the camera, so super annoying. And I had issues with QUANTOWER and my computer this morning, so it's a whole lovely beginning to the day. Did not trade my Take Profit Trader account, so I'm missing out on another easy payout. Oh, Good morning. All right, let's see. ORB was easy, but of course I was late a little bit to it, so I'm not sure what I want to trade next. Do I want to trade the 15-minute opening range trade or not? Definitely looks like it could set up for a nice one today. We'll see what happens. Probably just gonna look for longs. Not sure yet. That right there was a pretty good long. Missed that. Yeah, so I got a new USB brick and that didn't fix the camera, so I don't know. I got it to turn on for a little bit, but it doesn't stay on. And I have another thing coming in today. I have a dummy battery thing coming in, so hopefully that fixes it for tomorrow. And I woke up late today, so couldn't make it out. And then my computer restarted. Everything was off. It was just a nightmare this morning. I had such a big issue with TradeSyncer. I could not delete. So it sucks with TradeSyncer is that when you add connections, so let's say you get a new PA account, a new funded account, you have to delete your connection and then reconnect it, right? Because it doesn't know. And of course, I was not able to delete the Take Profit Trader connection. It just wouldn't do it. It took me over 5 minutes to be able to delete it. So by the time it deleted, I did not have time to connect the copy trader to the new account because now I have a third account with Take Profit Trader, and hopefully can make some money on it, but missed the opening range trade on it, so it's frustrating to be honest. But ORB was good, so that's the most important thing. Right now we are definitely chopping compared to yesterday's open. This is so different. Gotta be more careful today. not to get chopped up because yesterday was super clean. Today is not. I mean, the difference between the 2 days is insane. Okay, let's see if we get a breakdown here. Definitely feels like it will sell off, but I don't know if I trust it. I'll take a shorter, I guess, because it definitely seems weak right now. If it goes back lower, if it doesn't go any lower, then I'll go long. Might have trapped again. But right now it's rejecting the 15-minute lows. All right, I'm in. Oh, stop's got to be 800 bucks. It sucks. More than that. Wow. I guess the range is still pretty big today. All right, we're going to reverse it. We're going to go long. It's definitely trapping, so. Oops. I made a double boo-boo. No way. Come on. Holy smokes. This is getting crazy. What is going on? Why are the candles getting so big? Oh, this is about to freaking fall apart, isn't it? Woof. This is what I was saying. Just here, you gotta be careful. You're gonna get chopped to death. Gotta stick to one direction and just not pay attention to the micro movements. Maybe bigger time frame is better. Come on. Come on. No way. I'll take that 554 after taking a loss. That was a good rotation. Should have never taken that short. I had a feeling it's gonna trap. I gotta be done with the 15-minute opening because it's just the 15-minute opening. I should just watch. It's gonna give a good indicator. Yeah, we're squeezing even higher. Good job, Krister. Squeezing even higher. Sure if I should get ready to trade my take profit. My third one. Yeah, definitely a chop. Make sure you guys hit the likes. We could do a giveaway. We could definitely do a giveaway. I'm having issues with YouTube this morning too. I mean, yesterday as well. I don't know. Do you guys get this at all? I'm only getting this on this computer. I don't know if it's something wrong with it. For like, I restarted my computer and everything is just not working. 4K? I don't know. That's just an eval. That was just an eval. But now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Apex evals passed. So hopefully you could pass a couple more. And what a squeeze. What a squeeze. Definitely sold out too soon. Definitely sold it too soon. And I wish I had some still. Oh, man. Tough, tough, tough. Damn it. Same exact play as yesterday. Same exact play as yesterday. So hard to catch it long though. Yeah, my camera got sick. It's got the virus. Hopefully, I'll get it fixed by today with the new battery thing that I'm getting, because the new brick, the USB thing is not working. I don't know why. It did turn on. Hold on. All right, we might have a camera here in a bit. It's charging now. It's at 15%, so maybe it was just so dead it wouldn't turn on right away. But to eat something. Yeah, I'll turn the camera on in like 10-15 minutes once it's like past. Once it's past maybe like 30% charge. Eat a bagel. Oh man. I could stream from my phone. Yeah, but I mean, camera is just a camera. There's so many streamers that are so successful without a camera. So I don't think it matters. Good answer. Good answer. I'm so addicted to Red Bull, it's not even funny. I love it. All right. How do we trade this now? That's the hard part. This was the easy trade right here. Now it's like, what do you do? Do you wait for a pullback or do you try to short this? Or do you take micro pullbacks like this? That's where I struggle the most. V-shaped reversals is when I do really well. Red Bull when the camera is not on. I don't really care that much for beer. I like beer, but it's not my like addiction. No, that was a good joke. I love a beer on the golf course. That's the best. Or at work. I am very slow for the next couple weeks, relatively speaking. I like it. All right, I don't know what to do here. The 50-minute is playing out nicely again. But to the upside, it breaks the first side and then boom. I'll have coffee once in a while, yeah, but not much. Damn, you got the crystal ball? Imagine being so confident in trading that you tell 100 people what to do or what not to do. It's all good. Joking. Oh, yeah. I'm definitely not interested in shorts, to be honest. The only thing is when there's a bigger pullback, that's also a reversal, right? Like we should be long now. Like when there's a pullback, that's when it's like already gonna get either choppy or it's gonna get either choppy or it's gonna be a reversal. Who knows? But what a beautiful 15-minute opening range. Gosh. But it's always after it traps the other side. Yeah, I think the longs are unfortunately kind of. Hmm. What a squeeze. What a squeeze. 2 days in a row. Shorts are getting destroyed. Well, my rules are that it retests, it breaks it, retests it, and continues like this. But it kind of did that here and I got stuck, you know? So it's. I'm glad I flipped it because it was so obvious. But here it broke it and then it reversed too. So who knows? I don't know. It's just so tough to get a clean move like this. Oh, I'm feeling so much FOMO right now too. That's what makes it so difficult. It's yeah, it's easy once you're in, but like once you're out, like how do you get back in? How do you get back in this? I mean, I feel like it just wants to recover that loss from Friday. It's going for it. I'm mad that I didn't add any stocks to my portfolio. C said yesterday you were saying this market sucks, and so you made 3K per account. The market did exactly the same thing. Let's go. You you killed it. Oh yeah, it's the best thing ever. Look at that. Could have made $3,900 per contract from where I bought before. So I made 500. Well, I lost a little bit, so I think I made like $1,200. So I lost a little bit. So let's see, I made 490 and 845. So I made like 1,300. I could have made like $8,000. Unreal. Yeah, when is the dip viable? That's the hard answer, you know? Like does it have to have a big dip and then hold and then retest the highs, or is it going to continue higher without much of a pullback? And then if you get in like now, And if it continues to sell off, you're gonna be like, why did I just wait? And then if you wait and it doesn't pull back and then goes higher, you're like, oh, why didn't I just buy and just wait for confirmation? And if not, just sell out, you know? So if you buy now, if it doesn't hold, just get out. But like even this right here is you know, $300 risk. And placing your stop right here is also not a good idea. Where do I put my remote? Yeah, I don't know. This is a tough long for me because this would be like trap. Like if the market was reversed, I'll be looking to buy this, right? So if this was upside down, but on the upside, I don't feel the same. I mean, definitely could buy. If it's gonna be strong, it's gonna go, right? It's gonna keep going higher. That is the biggest thing. That's gonna be the biggest FOMO. It's like if we miss this pullback and we don't get an entry, then we could forget about today. If it goes higher right away. All right, let's see if this camera is working. On Twitch maybe. Kick, I don't know. Kick, I don't know if anyone uses Kick, to be honest. I do know Kick gives big sponsorships though. So if your stream is doing pretty well, they'll give you a huge sponsorship. Camera's a little high, but at least it works. Let's see if I could change that. There we go. Well, I'm back. Cameron decided to wake up. Just needed a little bit of a charge. We'll see if it stays on. All right, let's see. Can we get a nice deep pullback? See, look at this breakout here at previous day's highs. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, this will be resistance, right? But clearly not. Stop using it for my OnlyFans videos. Well, what do you expect me to do? If trading is not going and I gotta pay for golf, I gotta do some other stuff. It doesn't pay as well as they say, though. Let me tell you that. It doesn't pay as well as they say. No judgment, you know, of course. I really want the Targa, guys. I so want the Targa. Every time I look at my car, I'm like, if I get the Targa, I won't have the wing. It depends. I'll see. I'll see how golf is gonna. Because if golf takes over my track hobby, then I might just get a Targa, trade it in. If not, maybe I'll get like an R8 or something. You could get an R8 fairly cheap. But I got an architect drawing my garage. So that was done yesterday. Did the contract yesterday with the architect. And hopefully before we get snow, I have a garage. And a patio cover. I didn't do any outdoor streams this year. I don't know why. The summer was just brutal. Here in my garage. Yeah, here in my garage, I have a golf simulator and actually, I watched the video yesterday. There's no way I'll be able to find it right now. Oh, there it is. Why is my YouTube not working? My YouTube is broken. I can't watch any videos. Anyway, this guy had like a cool golf sim and like a nice desk next to it, so it would be perfect for streaming. But obviously, I would not stream in my garage because it's not gonna be attached to my house, so I would have to walk there, and then that's like going to work. Who did? How did I get into golf? Well, I went to Porsche Cars and Coffee, and it was canceled. And there was Top Golf across the street, so we went, and we did it for a couple days in a row because we liked it the first time, and it's like limited on how much you could do it in one day because it's so busy. And I was like, I don't know, I can't get consistent. My brother liked it, and then we kept going, and now I'm so hooked. Me and my brother are both hooked. But I have a bunch of friends that play, but now, of course, no one has time. Now I realize how little this everyone else played. You know, they all talk about golf, but they don't get to play a lot because of work and stuff. Like I could play 3 times a week, 4 times a week if I'm slower with DJing. But I'm injured, so I can't really. I still suck, so it's not as fun to go with strangers. Try ping pong. I played ping pong for many years. My brother-in-law has a ping pong table. That gets more boring quicker. Golf is a game that's like very like ping pong. You need to play with someone. Golf is you versus you. It's same as trading. There's no competition in golf. There can be, and there is a competition. Like my brother's way better than I am, so like I'm trying to like I would think I'm at a good level for 2 months of playing, but then I see my brother play and I'm like, no, I'm way behind. I gotta step it up. So in that sense, there's competition, but it's really you versus you. There's no one making the shot more difficult for you, right? There's no one blocking you. There's no one tackling you. There's no one putting pressure on you. It's just you versus you and the shot. So it's just like trading. There's so many similarities. It's insane. You guys know what Thermomix is? Who knows what a Thermomix is? It's the craziest cooking device ever. No, I just got mine delivered. Um, Literally, you could cook anything in the world in this thing. So my mom has one and my sister has one. Um, and I pre-ordered this a while ago, so like I could make ice cream, you could make Japanese noodle soup, pound cake. I mean, there's anything you want, you can make with this. Cookies, pizza dough. Um, I mean, insane thousands and thousands of recipes. Well, I just got one. Well, I got two actually. One for someone as a gift, But it just got delivered, and my mom's so excited. I don't even care, but my mom's so excited about it. So she's texting me. Kielbasa, no. No, that's not for Thermomix. My dad makes it, so I can't. That would be an insult to the family if I was making kielbasa in the Thermomix. My dad makes it every Christmas and every Easter, but obviously we make enough to freeze it, and it lasts basically not all year, but like right now we don't have any, but Christmas will be here soon. Oh yeah, he smokes it. Yeah, he makes it so good. He makes it where you could eat it raw, so it's not. You never have to cook it or grill it. You know, you just cut it up and eat it with bread, and that's all. It's different than like the one from the store. And it makes it a little fat because my dad's a health freak, very health conscious kielbasa. You know, not too much salt. That's the biggest problem with these sausages you buy. It's so freaking salty. It's like they put so much shit in it. Hey, he loves making it when it's cold out. It's like his hobby, I could say. All right, so now it's getting choppy. Now it's getting choppy. Definitely gotta wait this out. Wait this out. See where we go. I really hope we sell off. If we could get a nice sell off, maybe even to like 25,000, or even these highs here, or even previous days highs, that would be nice. But right now it's tough to buy this. I feel like we missed the boat. I mean, I got, a decent trade on it, but could have taken advantage of it and be done for the day. Sometimes you just gotta be quick. I traded all my Apex PA account, so I'm happy with that. I passed one eval, so I'm happy with that. It's just the Take Profit Trader account needs to be traded. I need to continue the streak of payouts. I am waiting for another $800 today. So after the stream, when my payout cleared from Take Profit Trader, I made $300. Of course, I left so much on the table. See if I could find the trades from yesterday. It's ripping, I could tell. Does this show the trades from yesterday? It doesn't. Oh wait, it's the wrong account. Yeah, it doesn't show. That sucks. I don't know where I took it. Nice sell off at the close. I missed that. Good thing I missed that. I would have been buying the dip and ruined my day. Had to be around here somewhere. I don't really know. But feeling better, guys. Feeling better. We are finally getting some traction with payouts and consistency. We have CPI or PPI tomorrow, not CPI. So I'm going to try to pass at least 5 Apex evals. Remember the 80K monthly payout you got? That was beautiful. Oh man, don't remind me. Although that 80K was so crazy that it didn't feel that good because I was doing so well for a while. The best payouts are the ones when you struggle and then you get the payout. So like if now I have, well, I could actually give you an example from earlier this year. My payout in May was 36,000. That was the most exciting month I've had this year. Because then it was 50,000 2 times and $46,000. So then that was like, oh, that's normal. Okay, let's go for 100. But when I was struggling, and then I made $16,000 and I made $36,000 next month, I was like, wow, this is like perfect. It's crazy how the mind plays a huge role on your results and how you view your results. If you're struggling, like I said before, right now, last month was $12,000 or $11,000 payout. That was a failure, right? That was a terrible month. Right now, if I could get to $11,000 this month with Take Profit Trader, that's going to be a great month for me. You know, so like it's the same, right? It's the same thing. But you know, that's like, it's like that question that goes around social media all the time. It's like, would you take $10 million right now if I was to give it to you? And of course you would say yes. And then I say, well, you don't get to wake up in 2 days. You know, would you still take that 10 million? Of course not. So waking up is more valuable than $10 million. That's what you're saying. And it's true. So sometimes we get caught up in these things and at the end of the day, it's just money. It's important because we need money. People don't realize how much less stressful life is when you don't have to worry about every single dollar until you get there. But like I just ordered Uber Eats. Like, do you think I care about how much it costs? Do you think that, you know, like I worry about it? No, like I don't even think. I don't even know how much I paid. Maybe it was $20, maybe it was $30. I don't know. I ordered a bagel and 2 Red Bulls. And I gave the guy a $10 tip. So the driver made more money than the bagel place. But at the end of the day, it's health is so much more valuable. That's why I don't care if I make $20,000 a month or $50,000 a month or $80,000 a month. It's the same thing. I'm not spending the money anyway. As long as I'm, you know, once you get past, let's say 10, 15K a month clean after fees, and you already are out of debt and everything, and you know, you already had a down payment for the house, you bought your car, you don't have any debt on that, and then anything over 10, 15K a month is going straight to investments, you know. But now I'm kind of realizing how people feel. You know, people feel very, you know, I don't know, disappointed, but they feel like trading is very difficult and they can't get anywhere. So when I'm doing well, like to me, it seems so simple. But you just saw me for a month and a half struggle big time, right? You saw me put myself in other people's shoes. So next time, You know, I need to make like a compilation of it, because next time someone comes into my chat when I'm doing well, says, oh, this is you making it look so easy, or how long you've been trading and blah, blah, blah. And why can I do this? I'm going to show them, you know, what I just went through for a month and a half. You seem very good with money. I'm terrible. I'm actually not good with money either. But I wouldn't say I'm terrible. But like look, you think this is good with money? This is a $20 bill. I probably found this in my pants somewhere. You know, another $20 bill. If I lose this money, I wouldn't even know. So I'm not good in that sense, and I am. The only thing I'm good with is, well, as I say that, I just showed you a Thermomix, which costed, two of them costed $3,500. And my Golf Sim launch monitor is going to be this one. I'm buying this for my golf simulator. Do I need this? No. But it's cool, and I'm going to buy it. The cool thing is with this, I don't need a computer. I don't need anything else. Just hook this up to a projector and you're good to go. Zero DJ was struggling this month. Really? I actually watched his stream a few times this month. When I was struggling and I didn't stream a couple days, or I ended his streams early, I did tune into his streams. I know he was doing pretty well for a while. Trader fight tournament. Oh my god, is that the big thing that Brett was cooking? Oh my god, what a disappointment. What a joke. That is the biggest joke ever. Hype up a tournament. Who gives a freaking flying F about a tournament? I can't believe it. I mean, I can because it was leaked already, but... Let me see what he said. I guess you got to watch the Tradeify TV to know about it. Yeah, tournaments are such a joke. They're making trading what it's not supposed to be. Like I understand, like Patrick Whelan did it, right? That's different. He's a content creator. He is creating engagement with his viewers. But prop firms doing a contest, that's so silly. At least do it and not make it seem like it's some kind of a big deal. No one trades the challenges or the tournaments properly. Everyone's YOLOing, right? So it's like, what's the point? Like for me to enter into these challenges, I would have to go against my beliefs. How many times did you hear me talk about trading is not a competition? Trading is you versus you, and that's it. You're not a Formula One driver who, you know, Formula One has, I should know this, but I don't. Is it 20 drivers? Something like that. So there's 20 best drivers in the world. Well, 19. If it's 20, then it's 19 because Lance Stroll doesn't count. But they're best drivers in the world. Well, it doesn't matter if you don't have the right car and if there's someone better than you at that time, right? You could be Leclerc, but you know, you have Max Verstappen, you have Lando Norris, you have Piastri, you have a better team in front of you. You can't win. No matter how good you are, you can't win because there's someone a little bit better than you or there's a better team than you. So it's a competition which is directly affecting your performance. Because if there was no competition, you would be a great driver. It's same as golf. Anyone that was competing against Tiger Woods, well, they were screwed, right? Same thing with tennis. But in trading, it's so different. Trading is you versus you and nothing else. Whatever you make, you're happy with, and that's it. If I make $1 million and someone else makes $10 million, I really don't give a crap that they made 10. I'm happy for them. It doesn't make my $1 million any worse. And it goes down to, you know, $50,000 or $100,000 a year, and someone makes $1 million. It does not matter. It's not a competition. You know, like, I don't know why people make it into a competition, but that's what I believe, and that's why I will not enter any competitions. I just don't believe in them. I was gonna do the trade day one, but I'm glad I didn't. I really want to get a trade on Take Profit Trader. Come on, market, do something. Yeah, I mean it's whatever. Like, I know I can't win them either. So even if I YOLO'd, I can't. So it really does not matter. Now, if it's me versus Nutty in that BDH and we get a big prize, then yes, I'll do it. I'm a nice guy. So if I win, we both win. Yeah, I have 20 and 200 on my charts. All right, come on, market, dump it. I'm very tempted to short now because it's been consolidating and failing to go higher. If we could get another break here and then pull back and then maybe on an eval, I'll take a short. Definitely not a short on funded though. That already exists, Tick Daddy. That already exists with stocks. There's a bunch of, I think 5 or 6 guys, Relentless Trader and those guys. They live together. But no, I would not want to live outside of my house. It's a pretty cool concept. But they're all young. They're like in the early 20s. I'm too old for that. I gotta fix my freaking roof leak again. My kitchen hood just keeps leaking. Can't figure it out. But when I do my my garage, when I have the framer, I'll have him try to fix it. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. Maybe I'll do a giveaway at 100 likes. Maybe Golfy will be nice today. There we go. Let's see what it does here. It's interesting spot. And we could get a little break, and then I don't like how it's getting bought up on the same candle. Let's get a break here, and then maybe a retest, and then could maybe try to get some gains on this eval. I would love to have like 10 Apex funded accounts, because right now I'm doing the open range trading only on one account. Tomorrow I'm gonna have 4, so I need 6 more. What's going on, Matt? Matt is telling people about my golf sim. Someone said I was good with my money. And I said, am I good with my money? I could just buy this. Pretty much does the same. And it costs like nothing. You're good at making it. That's all that matters. Good point. Why do you prefer 150K accounts over 300K? The costs a lot of times are different. Not always. Like right now, I think the costs are the same. But a lot of times they're different. And the main thing is passing the eval. I don't know how to pass a 300K. I don't think I've passed it more than once or twice in my entire 2.5 years of trading. And there used to be like super cheap. Used to be like $30 for a 300K eval at one time. So I tried it back then. Full swing. The biggest thing that I found, the biggest problem I found is that a lot of the nicer systems do not have local courses. I only want to play local courses. I don't want to play the big I mean, I'll definitely play some, but I don't want to play like the PGA courses, because I play them at like Top Golf or the driving range with the Tracer computers, and they have the big sims, and I want to play at courses that I'm actually going to play at, if that makes sense. So Garmin has that, and many other ones don't. But full swing, I think I'm pretty sure I looked at it. Oh, actually, no, this one I did not see. Oh, wait, is that the one? Maybe I did see it. Isn't this one like the same as oh no, it's not. I tell them that their website's broken. Maybe they'll give me a discount if I tell them their website's broken. Pretty bad. Actually, never seen this before in the real website. But yeah, this looks nice too. Oh yeah, I'll just get this one. Why not? It's only 54K. That's what I want to make. I want to make like padded walls, make the screen nice gray carpet or black carpet, and then green, like this. It's kind of exactly what I want to make. It's gonna be sick. And I would love to make a widescreen if I can. Making a widescreen actually is a lot more difficult than you would think. Am I doing the Trader Fight Cup? No, you just missed me venting about it. Yeah, I'm sure it works really good. It just doesn't have local courses. None of those do. The big ones don't have local courses. I guess we're not gonna get this breakdown. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a boring market's been since 10 o'clock. We had a nice, exciting half an hour, and it's been a boring last hour. Slaya, what's going on, bro? How you been? How's life? How can I learn your strategy? You don't want to learn my strategy. I suck. How, I get that question quite a lot from even like local friends. Like, where would I learn trading if I had to start all over again? I don't know. That's a tough question, really. 'Cause I have one friend that's literally like reading books about trading and what the markets are and what are futures, and then he will ask me about rollovers and all those different things, and I'm just like, no, you're making this way too complicated. Like, keep it simple. Like, if you want to trade futures, learn the movement and what the costs are associated with the price movement. Like, what's the tick size? What is a tick? All those things. But am I entering the Tradified trading contest? No, I am not. I don't believe in trading contests. I don't think trading is a competition. I talk about that quite often. Was my mic low? Definitely seemed low on the mixer. I don't believe in trading competitions because trading is an individual thing and everyone YOLOs the competition. So I don't really care about it. And they hyped up the competition like it was something revolutionary that they're going to come up with on their accounts. So, yeah, they're just copying Patrick at this point. Or trade day. I would say keep it super simple. Find a simple setup you could do a couple times a day. But they got to learn what candlesticks are, Jason. You don't realize they don't know what is a candlestick. What am I even looking at right here? What is a bid? What is an ask? Why is the price $25,000 and I only need in real trading I need $1,000 to buy it? Those little things are something that we forget that newbies don't know. What's my opinion on Lucid? I like them a lot. They're solid. Obviously, I go straight to funded with them, but only gotten a couple payouts so far. Do you have a code with them? I don't yet. You need to sign a contract, and I just haven't gotten to it. But yeah, I'm supposed to get a code with them. I just got to sign it, and I could get it. Outbrooks is not bad. Candlestick patterns are not really something that I see a lot of people trade. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Everyone talks about it in the beginning, but then they realize it doesn't work that easily. I feel like you just have to it's like trial and error. But yeah, someone already stole my Alpine code from Lucid, so they kicked that guy out. It was pretty funny. Tyler, what's going on, bro? It's been a while. Yeah, I'm finally getting back on my groove. It's been a rough month and a half, roughly. And finally getting back. I would say a rough month because I've been doing better for a week now. So we're only second week into October now. So it started like early September, like a few days into September, I started to suck. But that's why there's so many videos and so many channels making videos about strategies, because that's what everyone wants. So it's like, this strategy, you could learn it in 10 minutes. This strategy has made me $1,500. You know, all the clickbaity titles and stuff like that. And they get so many views. If they make the video good, the video's got to be good. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to push it. Wow, what a chop. Holy crap. Come on, market. Just dump it. I'm kind of tempted to short and just risk the higher days on this eval. I mean, it's flagging on the 15-minute, but yeah, for fun of it, I'm just going to short one. This is just an eval. See if we could get a breakout. I risk 465. There we go. Let's see, like building the garage. Just got a quote for the survey of my property. It's 2,100, and the architect is $3,000. So right there, I'm spending $5,000 without even touching anything. Unbelievable. What are the tech issues? What do you mean? No, no, I'm building a new garage in the backyard. Or should I say I'm building a golf simulator? No permit gang. Yeah, that's a very tough. But it's funny because the guy I went to for golf lessons, he has a big shed, definitely Amish built, and it's massive. I mean, and he didn't get permits and he got screwed. But everything passed, you know, like he had to just do a couple things and everything passed. Yeah, I'm definitely not dialed in with the sensitivity. I felt like it was way off. I played it for the first time with my friend yesterday. Why do I always look depressed? Because I don't want to make it seem like I'm better than anyone else just because I'm rich. Do I like sensitivity? Yeah, I definitely do. I felt like just it was hard to like adjust your aim. I've seen some videos about the controller settings, but I do play on PC. There we go. There she goes. All right, so now we get a pop. I'll gladly add. Yeah, I definitely like um the smaller maps. I like squad deathmatch the most. The big maps, you just get shot from every single direction. It's no fun. I can't wait for Battle Royale. I think Battle Royale said October 28th for Battlefield, which would be surprising because they said next year. It would be very nice to get this to sell off, but might have just trapped me in. We'll see how it reacts here. Come on. Still very far from passing this eval, but would be nice to get a flush. Could have just trapped. Which would be unfortunate because that was a nice trade right there. At 40 points. damn it. Good thing it's an eval, because that's unfortunate. I got caught. I think it might be similar. It might be doing this right about now. Breaks the support, and then we'll see. Still got resistance here, so hopefully it keeps going lower, but I would love for it to sell off, because then I could take it long on my Take Profit Trader account. Come on. Do it. Gonna add 2 more. Looking better now. Your withdrawal request has been approved and your balance has been adjusted. All right, I could trade all my Take Profit Trader accounts, guys. Just got my $800 payout. Man, Take Profit Trader is just amazing. Amazing, amazing. Dominican trader, no way. No freaking way you just made 10K. How? How did you do that? On the long? Oh, sick. Yeah, so now you're gonna go live. But once you're on live, you will not have that issue. You could hold it. But how do you hold it for 10K? Jesus. That's insane. All right, right now, me adding at the lows is the dumbest thing ever. It's clearly just getting bought up. Well, congrats. Welcome to the TPT Live. It's going to take a couple days to set that up, though. How many accounts do you have? Let's go. 31K. That's amazing. So with Take Profit Trader, you cannot make more than 10K once you pass the eval. Yes, in a single day, you can't make more than 10K on the sim accounts. Once you make 10K, you automatically go to a live account. That's why a lot of people used to sell their positions at $9,900 or $9,800 or just 9,000, you know. not cross the 10K mark. Our good friend Okala used to do that every single day. But live with Take Profit Trader is actually better. So when you go live with them, then you can make unlimited, and it's actually a better profit split too. Am I going to be able to withdraw all under buffer today before the movement? Yeah. Yeah, you're going to get an email from them. I don't know what's going to happen with your buffer though. Because when I got moved to live, I didn't have a buffer. Because I got moved after making 20K in payouts, which there was a slight delay, right? So let's say I requested a payout on Monday, I got it approved, and I didn't get pushed to live till Friday, for example. I don't know exactly how many days it was, but from that Monday to Friday, I basically lost all my accounts, or the drawdown on those accounts. So I was only up like $1,000 in the account. So I don't know what happens with that $4,500. They move you live with however many accounts you have, but then you also could pass more, and you could have 5. I have currently 3 accounts. So I have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, fill me in. I do like trade day as well, but just haven't had the time to pass the evals. I only tried one time. Did they ever change it from 5 days to, from 7 days to 5 days, or is it still 7 days? Five days, nice. No fill. That's a bummer. And why do these people have non-digital agreements that they send in emails? We're in 2025. Like, we should be all sending DocuSign documents, not some PDF files that I don't even know how to sign. Oh, I gotta sign this agreement for the survey. Like right now, with for me, Take Profit Trader is not even close to trade day because I don't have to have a buffer. Dominican Trader, that's also a thing. You don't need to have a buffer on the live account to request a payout. Like look, I don't leave myself any buffer. Like, this account is brand new. This is I haven't even touched this account yet. It's at $0, right? If I make $300 on this account right now, I could withdraw that $300. The only thing is, you have $4,500 worth of drawdown. So if I make $300 today and I take it out, I'm gonna have only $4,200 worth of drawdown tomorrow. To give you an example of this, this account I have $3,900 worth of drawdown because I took out a $500 payout, and this account I'm pretty sure I took out a $1,000 payout. Yep. So I have $3,400 in drawdown until I make that $1,000 back. Yeah, the customer service, luckily I didn't have to deal with that. And then the live customer service is a lot different. The live support is you're in direct contact with them, so it's a lot better. But yeah, sometimes the rebilling and stuff is all messed up on Take Profit. All right, looks like squeeze is coming. Okay, so maybe I should just take a long on my live account because this was a good indication that it's not gonna go lower. This is where trailing drawdown sucks. Um, I use TradeSyncer. You're talking about to copy from QUANTOWER to to Tradeovate. QUANTOWER, I use the built-in one. Come on. Go, go, go. Did that just trap the longs? I hope. Come on. Yes. That looks good. You'll need $3,000 more. Come on. Flush it. Unbelievable, guys. So frustrating. Dump it already. What is at this level that's holding it up? What am I missing? All right. Better. The red line. Well, okay, let me get rid of the red line. Um oh yeah, we are our previous day's highs. How did I not see that? That was my target before. How did I not see that? I talked about that too. I thought it was lower. Oh, yeah, it is previous highs. Yeah. I think my order was on that line. I think that's why I missed it. Pretty sure my order was right on that line. Hiding it. There we go. That's what we're talking about. And then we'll just pass this on the ORB tomorrow. Still gonna be short like a couple $100. Beautiful. I could never do this on a funded account though. That's the thing. That took way too long. Jeffrey, good morning. Yeah, I'm still gonna need $500 more. We could actually get it. I need 20 more points. I could still pass this. I need like $250 more. Oh, so close. Oh man, $140 away. Oh man, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm having my rib pain again. Hopefully, we'll be fine by Friday. All right, $70 more. I'm just gonna scalp it till we get there. My first entry was really good. My ads were just making this trade very stressful. Wow, look at it go finally. That's good though. It's good though. All right, $20 more. And passed it. All right. All right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 150K accounts now. Hopefully pass 5 more. Tomorrow it'll be at 10. That would be great. Now I'm going to be looking for a long on the live account. These are Apex accounts. Yeah, you told me you were on the ban. All right, let's keep selling off a little bit more. I don't have VWAP. Where's VWAP at? Is 150K better than 50K? Yes. Just the evals are more difficult. I feel like the 50K is very tight drawdown. Okay, I'm going to start looking for a long. If we get a pullback and hold a higher low. I hope it doesn't. I really hope it's still. Oh, I'm going to take it. All right, we'll take 155. Quick scalp there for now. Get some cushion. Looking to make between $300 to $500 to continue the payout streak. Be 8 days now. Let's see if this holds or if it sells off. Right now it's looking very heavy. Do we have a trap here? It's a little bit of a trap. Not yet. Come on, make new lows. I don't have to have FOMO. I'll love for this to just keep going lower. Go, go, go. I just have a much easier seeing the patterns on the QUANTOWER. I don't know why. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. 920 is the 50-minute low, or the low of the day, probably. Actually, no. Low of the day is a little bit below that, but 897. Yeah, really, DB, that's a good point. Depends on your trading style. The biggest thing is like 50K on Apex is just very tight with the drawdown because of the 750 max daily, max drawdown per trade. If not for that, I don't mind the 50Ks. If Apex did not have that 30% drawdown rule, then I would still probably be trading mostly 50Ks. Yeah, it definitely looks weak still. And my entry was so good at the top. Took forever to break down, but once it finally breaks down, it goes by so fast. They might have just missed the DB. Sometimes it's almost like a manual review, so sometimes they might miss it. That happened to me once too. I requested like minimal. So like it was a 150K account and I could have requested like whatever amount and I only requested 500 because I thought I was going to get denied. But then I was thinking maybe they approved it because it was only a $500 payout. I don't know if it's a good idea to buy yet. I think I should just wait for a clear reversal. It's going to come. If there is a clean V shape, it's going to be obvious. Let's see. It's making a little bit of a base down here. But still lower highs. Hmm. Do I take a long and risk the lows, or do I just wait? Still weak. Yeah, good thing I didn't. What a sell-off. What a nice sell-off we got. This could be a reversed day of yesterday. Just keep selling off. I'll place a buy in case it flushes there and bounces 10 points really quick. Still no indication of any sort of reversal. So gotta be careful. Nope, that didn't work. No bounce at all. Very weak. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. A little risky there, but It's not fucking going. Jesus, it's gonna stop me out and go. Fuck. I need a perfect entry. I need an entry that's like an explosive one. Otherwise, I'm gonna get stopped out because I'm gonna use tight stops here. See, I got stopped out there. I got stopped out here. Both winning trades. Not good, not good. And now, fuck. About to fucking short 15 contracts right now. Damn it. There goes the Tradeify. I mean, the take profit fucking streak. What in the world? Fuck. All right, no more stop. Not stopping out this time. This is fucking crazy. 3 stop losses. Fucking perfect trade. Unbelievable. Oh, this was a good stop because we didn't know. But here, lows did not break. Go, you fucking. Oh, beautiful longs here, and I fucked it all up. Come on, just hit my target here so I could be somewhat green and we could take one more trade afterwards. Not that easy though. How much you get, NQ Addict? $5? Wow, I was 2 points away from getting out. There you go. It's 1 eval. Not bad. I'm assuming if it breaks this now, it's gonna keep going. Tough situation I'm in right now. Very tough. I gotta give it room to breathe, but it's all because of these losses here. Eric, I don't trade stocks currently. I don't trade stocks. I don't pay attention to that. I only invest in like the big tech companies. Come on. I know there's a lot of resistance there, but you could do it. Come on, give me my payout. Give me my payout. Give me my payout. Give me my 8th payout in a row. Fuck yeah. Another $400. Thank you from Take Profit Trader. But we're not done yet. I might take another trade on another account. I'm not going to risk this $439. But what I could do is I could go to this account and trade this account and make another $200-300, and we could have a $600 day. Let me make sure I canceled my orders over there though. I feel like I have an order open. Yep. Well, these losses were really painful. Now it's going to keep going higher. Let's start one in and see if we could get like $100 of this. I think I got greedy there. No fill. Oh my God, that would have been perfect. Yeah, now I'm fucked. Ah, couldn't just be patient. Couldn't just be patient for a pullback. That FOMO got me good. Hopefully we make a trap here. I'm gonna sell the ad if it doesn't go right away. All right, sold it on the pop. I don't know how much I got out of that, but 14, 15 points maybe. Could have been just that trade. Trap right here, boom. Could have been it. Could have been done for the day. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a beautiful trap. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. 400 and 400. That's $800. Again. All right. Come on, guys. Hit the likes. I want to do a giveaway. I feel like I need to do a giveaway. But what a beautiful entry that would have been right here. The trap right there. Break the lows here. Boom. Oh, man, that's nice. Feels good. So tomorrow I'm going to have one account to trade for the ORB. This one. Feels good to, man, you make $400 and you take it out. Like, this is my money now. This is not something like I got to work for. It's like, oh, I got to trade for 7 more days to get this money. No, this money's mine. I actually made this money and now it feels better than making $3,000 on a sim account that, you know, or like this 980, I don't really care about that. You know, it's not real my money yet, right? So it's not real yet. It's not really my money. So take profit is just so underrated. It's 40% off. 50K accounts like $100, $102. So worth it. Oh, pending order. Thank you. Thank you. Pending order. Where is it? Do I? I don't see one. Oh my God. No way. Fuck. I'm filled. No way. Thank you for letting me know. Now I'm fucked. I refuse to get out now. It's just my... Definitely, if I get saved, I'm definitely doing a giveaway. Thank God. All right, I made extra $46 there. Whew. Thank you, though, for letting me know, though. I'm not used to using Trade-Evade, that's why. All right, let's do a giveaway. I don't care how many people are watching anyway. The giveaways are for people that watch, not for... Yeah, I trade them a little differently. Evals definitely trade them differently. All right, we're going to do a 50K Take Profit Trader giveaway to end the stream. Go for it. What a day. What a good day again. So 446 and 439. So $900 payout. So it's gonna be like 850 after split. There still might be some good chances for longs today, but I'm definitely done. The only thing I could trade is my Apex eval. Oh man. Feels good to be green again. I just love Take Profit Trader. Let's add up the payouts again. I'm around, I'm not sure exactly what I took out yesterday. It doesn't tell me yet. It was around 850 though, $900. So I'm up $5,200 in the month on just 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. You can make a living just with those accounts. Gotta keep them. I should just reset. 2 more. It'll cost me a lot, but It's stupid to reset though. For 3 grand, I could get so many evals. Could caring less be a winning strategy? Partially, Mosh, for sure. When you don't care as much, you definitely trade better. I don't know why it's like that. I think it's the overthinking. And that's the same thing with sports. Pressure and overthinking definitely makes you perform worse. But at the same time, there's a balance. You gotta have a balance with not caring at all. Caring less though is a good word to put it. Not caring at all, no. But caring less, if you lose, is definitely a winning strategy because it's just just remember that the numbers on the screen are not real. Okay, those are not. You can't tell yourself I lost $2,000 today because you're gonna feel like you lost $2,000. You've only lost on the day. You lost to, let's say, let's just translate it to sports. In sports, it doesn't matter if you lose a game, let's say soccer game 5-0 versus 1-0. It doesn't matter. It's still a loss. Counts as one loss. Right? So same thing with your accounts. One account is one account lost and it's only $100 to $200 loss, depending on what account it is, of course. But it doesn't matter how you performed in that account. If it's lost, it's lost. Right? So don't think of the numbers on the screen as real money because it's not. The market was fun the first half hour, Slayo. And then it got pretty good here in the last. This sell off was pretty good. I mean, my entry up here was freaking amazing. I think the market was pretty good today. This and this. I'm tempted to take another long though. You know what? Let's do it on this. Do this on this 250k eval that renewed. Just gonna hold it. If it blows, it blows. If it makes me like 6k, actually took way too much size. That's gonna blow so fast. Does not seem like it's that volatile today, but yeah, the ATR is 15. We're gonna do a giveaway, guys, at 12:25. 12:25. We'll start the giveaway. All right. We got 1 minute, guys. Yeah, these competition things are just silly in my opinion. Like everyone's YOLOing. Everyone's trading competitions worse than eval. So it's like I don't care for them. Yeah, it's whatever. I don't really. Yeah, Patrick is a YouTuber. He's a content creator, and with the BDH thing, I feel like his competition at least made sense. The prop firms doing it is a joke because they're just doing it to because obviously you're gonna buy the accounts for them. They're not gonna give you the free accounts unless they're giving accounts for free. They should give the accounts for free and pay out whatever. And what is going on here? Why am I doing so well in this eval? How much do I need to pass a 250k eval? 15,000. Yeah, as long as it's free, it's not terrible. Yeah, no, it's 12:26. I'm just in the trade right now. That's going really well. So what kind of giveaway should we do? Should we just pick one person? Okay, raffles closed. Can no longer enter. Let's just pick one person. Here we go. For you, Xavere, I'm gonna put it in, but I don't know if you were sleeping or Wake up. We need some of this. $50K take profit trader giveaway. I'm giving away my own accounts, guys. Own accounts, because I don't really like the 50Ks too much. Oh, there's eval blue. Oopsies. Got a law of trailing drawdown. I lost $435, but I blew the eval. Oopsies. That's why tomorrow on PPI, we're going to full send, because screw that trailing drawdown. All right. One lucky person. You must be present to win. Members get 4 times the chance to win. Ha! No. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Well, congrats. Let me send the email now because I always forget. I already have your email. Yes, our moderator one. No, I'm not doing the race today. Tyler, it worked? Nice. I was just thinking about you because see, that's what they told me. Yeah, I don't know how you could do that either, I guess. I gotta unsubscribe from Elite Trader Funding though. All right. I'm gonna call it a day. Another nice payout from Take Profit Trader today. So we'll take that. And solid day again. 2 days in a row. Today was a little bit trickier than yesterday, but still solid. 439 and 446. This was scary. This was my stop loss for this long. And forgot to cancel it. I gotta remember that. It's not the first time it happened. Yeah, Elite is, they put me live after 11K in profit. That's a joke. How are you gonna allow 20 accounts and then put me live after 11K? Like, come on. Like, I made 11K in one account. But to be fair, they gave me a nice live account opportunity. So I had 3 accounts. The live account was created very fast, and it's with Edge Clear. They gave me almost $6,000 in drawdown on each account, or 5,000. Sorry, 5,000 on each account. 2 contracts, $1,500 daily drawdown. But I went on a trading slump, so I blew 2. And then this account, actually, I was up like $8,000. My last trade on this account, I was up $8,000, and then it came back all the way to negative 1,500. So this account would need to get over $15,000 for me to take a payout. So guess what I'm doing tomorrow on PPI? Or maybe I should save it for CPI, but I don't know. I think I'm going to take it on PPI. Maybe I'll make some money and then full send on PPI. I mean on CPI next Friday. Yeah, I'm going to full port this. Well, it's only 2 contracts, but do we still get it tomorrow? Well, tomorrow's PPI. Yes. We'll get the PPI tomorrow and CPI next Friday. Apparently they need it for like Social Security or something. But that's going to do it for me, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. At least we got the camera to work again. And hopefully tomorrow I'll be on before the opening range trade, since I won't have any troubles with the computer or with the camera. All right, guys, I got to go because I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. So by the time I get lunch and stuff, actually, I'm not getting lunch. I eat. But I got to do a bunch of things anyway. So time flies, and then it's going to be 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock before I know it. Days go by way too fast for me. Good day again. Hopefully we get to do it again tomorrow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex 150K accounts. That's decent. I'd like to get that number to 10. We're going to try tomorrow a little bit with PPI, and then if not, I'm just going to settle for 50K accounts, get them passed, and slowly start building up. Then we got to do bull knocks. Still got my Tradeify account. Didn't touch it today. And yeah, it's all good. Did I scare you all? Halloween's next week.